The digital age has brought forth many innovations. One such innovation is cloud work. Imagine a virtual space where businesses connect with individuals. This space is a Cloudworker website. It acts as a bridge between employers offering tasks and individuals seeking flexible work opportunities. Registering on a Cloudworker website is simple. First, visit the website. Look for a Sign Up or Join Now button. Click it to begin. You'll need to provide an email address and create a password. Sometimes you'll also choose a username. Finally, check your email for a verification link. Clicking this link activates your account. Once registered, you can explore available jobs. Find one that interests you? Click Apply. You'll likely need a profile. This showcases your skills and experience. Think of it as your digital resume. Some platforms use tests. These assess your skills for certain jobs. After applying, be patient. The employer will review your information. They might contact you for an interview. Cloud work is diverse. It encompasses a wide range of professions and industries, allowing people from all walks of life to find their niche. Different jobs need different skills. Whether you're a graphic designer, a project manager, or a customer service representative, each role demands a unique set of abilities. Strong communication skills are important for many roles. Being able to convey your ideas clearly and effectively can make a significant difference in your work. This is because you interact with clients or team members online. Building rapport and understanding through virtual means is crucial for collaboration and success. Data entry requires accuracy and attention to detail. Ensuring that information is correctly inputted can prevent costly errors and improve overall efficiency. Writing or editing tasks need strong language skills. Crafting clear, concise, and engaging content is essential for effective communication. Technical skills are important for tasks like web development or coding. Mastery of programming languages and software tools can open doors to numerous opportunities. Always be honest about your skills on your profile. Transparency helps build trust and ensures that you are matched with the right opportunities. Section 5. Reaping the rewards. Payments and platforms. In this section, we will explore the various aspects of payments and the platforms that facilitate cloud work. Payment varies greatly in cloud work, and understanding this variability is crucial for maximizing your earnings. It depends on the complexity of the task, the platform you are using, and sometimes even the client you are working for. Simple tasks might pay a few cents per completion, which can add up if you complete many of them quickly. While more complex tasks can pay significantly more, sometimes even hundreds of dollars for specialized skills. Some platforms use hourly rates, allowing you to earn based on the time you invest in a project. It's vital to understand the payment system before starting a job, as this can affect how and when you get paid. Most platforms have preferred payment methods. These could include PayPal, Payoneer, or direct bank transfers, and each has its own set of fees and processing times. Always verify this information before accepting any job. Ensuring you understand the payment terms and methods will help you avoid any surprises and ensure you get paid promptly for your hard work. Section 6. A global workforce, where opportunity knows no bounds. In today's interconnected world, the concept of a global workforce has truly come to life. One of the beauties of cloud work is its global accessibility. No longer confined by geographical boundaries, talent can be sourced from anywhere. Many platforms hire from all over the world, creating a rich tapestry of skills and perspectives. This opens up opportunities for individuals in diverse locations, allowing them to contribute to projects they are passionate about. Whether you're in Asia, Africa, Europe, or the Americas, there might be a job for you. The digital age has made it possible for anyone with an internet connection to find meaningful work. Language skills can be a significant advantage, breaking down communication barriers and opening doors to international collaboration. They allow you to work on projects targeting specific regions, making your contributions even more valuable and impactful. Section 7. Thrive in the cloud do's and don'ts for success. Navigating the world of cloud work requires understanding its etiquette. Always deliver high-quality work, meet deadlines, and communicate clearly. These are crucial for building a good reputation. Don't engage in spamming or scamming, avoid sharing personal information unnecessarily. Treat clients and fellow workers with respect. Remember, professionalism is key. Section 8. Embracing the future of work. Cloudworker websites represent a shift in how we work. They provide flexibility and opportunities. These platforms empower individuals to become their own bosses. By understanding the registration, application, and work dynamics, you can thrive in this new world of work. Embrace the future of work. Step into the cloud.